Hey, what's up, guys? All right, today we're going to talk about user experience and how you can build a user experience that can get you over 7% conversion rate on a monthly basis. And I will show you in this video how you can have an average order value for over $300 if you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google Ads, whatever platform you're using. The most important thing is to actually have good user experience on your site. When people scroll through your website, regardless if it's mobile or desktop, people see a personalized experience and you stand out more. So I'm going to be showing you a very unique strategy in this video that you can implement today for your e-commerce store and actually 10x your business online. First thing first, I want to talk about a brand called Leonisa. If you're not familiar with them, that's totally fine. They have a bunch of companies in different categories, but this is their main category of selling just like shapewears for men and females. And I'll show you the user experience of one of their product pages and how it looks like and how big of a difference branding makes when it comes to the product pages. Now, on average, we convert roughly around like 7 to 8% on a monthly basis. We do a lot of split testing. We do a lot of heat maps, and data is the most important thing of when people come to your product pages and what they pick when it comes to the category side of things. So I'm going to be reviewing a product page. It's just a shaper for a female to make them look good, but it doesn't matter what the product is. It's all about user experience. The first thing first we do is we use basically thumbnails in a very specific way where we're basically educating consumer around what the product is using infographics. Now, infographics could be a combination of using icons, using text, just like you see right here. It says high coverage, firm compression, and you can see right here it says hide cellulite, natural butt lift. It's educating a consumer as soon as they land on the product page itself. Now, the second most important thing we work on is the buy box itself. Now, buy box is one of the most important thing. An offer is basically based on what the product is. So since this is a shapewear, we keep like options very, very simple and to the point where you can switch between two colors of the products that the company has. Then you can select through the sizes. This is pretty basic stuff. Of course, there's nothing special here. This is where it gets interesting when it comes to building that offer and increasing your average order value. So the first thing is you can see USA delivery 2 to 5 business days, free 30 days return. And then we have an offer, buy the set and get 15% off. This is a matching set compared to the colors that you're selecting. And I can select the color of the product and I can select the size as well. If same thing right here, black, and I can select the size and I can add both products to the cart at a discounted price. Now this will help us increase our average order value right off the bat. But again, these add-ons have to be personalized. Now the problem with most e-commerce stores is when they actually add add-ons, the thing they do is they just put random products in here that has nothing to do with the main product. And the second thing is like sometimes they use plugins that randomly picks products for you within the same category and still showcase it here. You will still not increase your average order value until it's a personalized experience. If I'm a consumer and I'm buying this thing, this compression suit, I might be interested in getting the bottom, just like the bottom area of the same style in the same color, right? I have a high chance of purchasing this compared to if you're selling like a totally different style of the product. So you need to make sure that this is important and it stays kind of like this. The last important thing is just the social proofing itself. You can use UGC content, you can use pictures, reviews, before and afters into this section where the buy box is. And as you can see right here on the left side, we're using the product video of a person just using the product in general. It's all about social proofing and educating the consumer to the next level where people are interested in buying. It's only possible when you educate the consumer around the product. If you see right here on these sections, it's all about infographic pictures of like how the product works, and they're using a video as well. Again, it's all dynamic experience nowadays. Back in the day, back in 2016-17, stores were very different laid out compared to today. Today it's more dynamic and educational around the videos. So if you're struggling with design, development, conversion rate, optimization side of things, your website doesn't look very high end and education piece is missing from your e-commerce stores, you can always contact me. My calendar link link is in the description below, or you can click the link right below this video. You'll be able to see my calendar. Schedule a call. Let's talk about your business. Let me help you get to 6, 7, or even 8% conversion rate. It does take a little bit of time, but I can guarantee you I can take you there. It's all depends on the data and where your people or your consumers are dropping off from. It's possible with custom heat maps and custom analytics. We do all of that. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.